Today I have a beautiful Homshade solar LED patio umbrella that I'm gonna put on my picnic table outside here. And this sure is a hot day, so we need some shade. I'll show you how easy it is to put together, all right? Homshade. Hello there. Is it hot where you are? Are you in the sun? Do you need some shade? This is also a solar LED umbrella. You wait till you see that. I never had anything like this. Should be amazing. Look at the color. I got navy blue. But they have a few other colors, so check the colors before you order one. Let's see. Homshade user manual. They have 7.5 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot. They get all kinds of styles that go off on an angle. But this one is the regular patio style, and you need a base like I have down there. See, I already have a good solid base. This is going to be big. We might need a bigger table. So easy to put together. Just like an umbrella. First, take the bottom pole, it has a little push button there, see that? And I have my umbrella stand down below. You can tighten that up. Some of them tighten, some of them don't. Depends what kind of base you have. And then, good thing I read the directions, because go to the top of the umbrella, twist the solar panel, comes off. Remove the plastic film from the solar panel itself, and you take this plug, plug it into here, just like that, see? Plug it in, only goes one way. Plugged in, and then there's notches where you twist those into. Put the wire inside. Find the dent, the notch, give it a twist, and it's tight. All ready for sunshine. It's gonna charge up the rechargeable battery in there. It's hot out here. I gotta get in the shade soon. And then, just take this part, has the hole there for the button to go in. Pretty easy. Push the button in. And click. You hear the click? Now I wind it up. There we go. Nice. See the switch right there? I don't know if you can see it from that far away. Oh, they lit up already. They're going to charge up and they're going to look good at nighttime. Come and look at it. See the switch there? Isn't that cool? Homshade, look up above. See the lights? Now let me turn the switch on, even though it wasn't charged yet. Let's see. Whoa, see? LED lights are cooler and they're gonna look real nice in the dark. Can you imagine that? And they don't always have to be on because I can turn the switch off. But I'm gonna let it charge up. And I'm gonna come out and show it to you at nighttime. If it doesn't rain again. Even if it rains, I'll be under umbrella, right? All right, check the link in my video description. There's a special deal, all different colors, different sizes, different styles. Homshade. I can't stop looking at it. It's covering more than the table, which is great. Sometimes we sit on the ends with other chairs. Remember, this has a solar lighting system. Solar powered, high efficiency, 1800 milliamp rechargeable energy panel on top of the pole. Provides energy for 32 LED lamps inside of there. Perfect lighting, comfortable atmosphere all year long. Made of premium materials, high quality, 9 foot, UV resistant, water repellent, great. High quality frame, easy crank and tilt adjustment. I didn't show you the tilt yet, let me show you that. Sometimes the sun is on one side and you're on the other side. The tilt, push this button. Look at that. Click, see that? The sun's over there. And you can tilt the other way. Put it straight, it clicks. There's a nice button here. Put it down that way, click. That's great, isn't it? And if it's this way, you just turn it this way. I love it. You see the lights? Not yet, but I'll show you at nighttime. It's gonna charge up for a few hours, but it's already charged. Look at that. I really like it. I do. Get yourself one. Click the link in my video description for a nice Homshade umbrella. All different styles and colors. Homshade LED patio umbrella. Look at that. All right, it's pretty dark out. I have the camera a distance away, and I'm going to turn on the lights to see if you see them. Remember, there's a switch here. Whoa. Can you see them in the camera?
Yeah.
And it rained too. It's dry under here. It even lights up the table, see? Pitch black. Some nice lights. Isn't it beautiful? You gotta get yourself one of these. Yeah, it's nice. That'll be good for all year long. Oh, it's like fireworks, isn't it? In the dark. Yeah, check the link down there for a special deal. Get yourself one or two of these. All different colors. It's beautiful. I love it.